Hello students, welcome to Excel Maths. We are expanding double brackets with extended questions where we have type 3. That includes first bracket negative but the other bracket positive. But what's the difference? Extended questions where we have something with x. X is not alone, it has a coefficient. How to do this? Step by step. First term multiplying the entire bracket, second term multiplying the entire bracket. So 5x was the second bracket, it's 2x plus 4 minus 2 was the another bracket, it's 2x plus 4. Okay, expanding single brackets, 5x times 2x, that gives us 10x squared. 5x times a positive 4 gives us 5 times 4 is 20x. Okay, that makes sense. Now minus 2 times a positive 2x gives us minus 4x. Minus 2 times a positive 4 gives us a minus 8. Correct? If you have any confusion, just use tic-tac-toe without any delay. So what we're going to get in here, just put minus, like fill it like this. Diagonals are going to be positive, rest are negative. You were having minus 2 times 4. So it was minus 2 times 4. So what is negative? The first number is negative, but the other number is positive. So you get the negative answer, correct? So that gives us minus 8. So 10x squared, what's 20x minus 4x? 20x minus 4x is a positive 16x minus 8. And that's what our answer is. To really do it using the shortcut, let's try that. So what we have in here, we have 5x minus 2 and the other bracket is 2x plus 4. What we do, the first thing is multiply the x together. So 5 times 2 is 10x squared. Now take the closer numbers, minus 2 times 2, minus 4, and extreme numbers like further away. So 5 times 4 is, they both are positive, no? 5 times 4 is a positive 20. So a positive 20 minus 4 gives you a positive 16. Okay, well the second is, the last step is the same. You're going to be taking both the numbers, constant numbers. That means minus 2 and 4, multiplying them. That gives you minus 8, right? So let's write in here. So it would be a positive 16x and minus 8, and which is same as the answer we have. Hope that makes sense. See you soon in next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.